Hey guys, it's me, iiVoltageWolf. Animation can really spice up a game, and it's even required in order to make a good and bomb-ass game. Here is how you can do a simple idle animation. This is just the intro to animations in Unity. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's get started. I created a little sprite sheet for my character here that's going to be doing the idle animation. This guy references Super Meat Boy, but, don't bash me for that. I mean, I freaking love the game. Alright, so we got our guy here doing the idle thing. Change the sprite mode to multiple. Depending on how big your sprite is, you may need to tweak with the pixels per unit. Then let's go into Sprite Editor. Oh yeah, apply. And now what we do, okay, this is automatic slicing, which is not what we're going to do. We're just going to create boxes around our guy. Alright, now we're finished slicing, let's apply it. And right here, we see a little arrow here with all of our animation frames. So frame 1, frame 2, frame 3. It's okay. It does. And I put up this simple scene just to get things started. Alright, I called it Block Boy. I'm gonna use frame 1. It looks so cute! Alright, so we're just gonna set him on the ground. And we're just gonna add simple components. We're not gonna add a script to him, as this is just showing you how he animates. I'm gonna do physics, Box Collider, and tweak it a little. Now, on to the fun stuff. This is the animator, where you can sort animations and add parameters. We need the animation. I'm going to save the scene. We need animation. Alright, so let's create a folder here. I'm going to go into that and do folder animations. Alright, we got a directory established for where we want to put our animation clips. And I'm just going to call this idle.anim. And this is where we get to drag in all of our frames. But first I need to place it so that I can do that. So I suggest using the top. And go back to sprites here. And idle frame 1. Alright, now let's preview the animation, see if it runs any better. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Good! If this is what you're looking for, then good. Alright, so now that we have this new animation clip, we're going to view it in the animator. If it even makes one. Yes, it does. It does. Okay, that's the animation. There she is. So here, if you go to this idle frame 1 animation tree, there's any state, which basically handles any animation that you want to have. Like if you have a take damage and you have any state running, that will happen in any state, whether it be jumping in the air or sliding or walking into something. This is where it all begins, the entry, and then it goes into idle. Now, this is only the idle animation, because that's what I wanted to teach you with this animation thing. I mean, you don't have to use sprite sheets to animate things. It's not limited to that. You can do, like, rigged stuff. Like, if you have multiple game objects in one game object, you can animate them. And you can make something that might be a bit smoother than this. If we play the game, he should play the idle animation. Heck, you can even drag him around, and he will still be playing that animation. Like, watch. I want to fling him, but no. That's pretty much the entire tutorial on how you can easily animate. This is only the intro to animating. There might be more than this if I'm asked to do it, but sometimes I just can't be asked. You know, I've had experiences with animating, and it can be tough. You want to see more content like this in the future, like gaming, vlogs, furry-related content, or maybe even more of this, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. Don't want to miss anything? Consider hitting that notification bell to get notified of all new content heading your way. And this has been iiVoltageWolf, and I'll see you all in the next session. Goodbye, pack mates.